morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon. It's Monday, April 6th, and I know my hair looks like a freaking fright wig because I can't get it cut because I can't sit with a barber. But I'm going to throw on a helmet and go for a ride. So, got my textile pants, I got the vents open, I got my summer weight jacket on, which is also very, very breathable. I did get the third windshield, showed up today, and once again, what they've sent is just a huge piece of plastic. And I guess it's the original Boulevard windshield. It's enormous, but it doesn't have any of the hardware. It doesn't have the Boulevard badging. It doesn't. I expected at least to have the mounting hardware for the windshield side. I've got this mounting hardware, you know, so I needed it with the mounting hardware for the windshield side. It doesn't have that. I like this. I don't want to spend any more money. So I've initiated a return, and we'll see. These guys have already been jerks about it, so we will see if they will take it back or not. Meanwhile, if you saw yesterday's video, you know that my GoPro, the selfie stick it was on, just broke. And so somebody has likely found themselves a nice GoPro and selfie stick by the side of the road somewhere. Could be anywhere, so it's just absolutely not worth me looking for at this point. So there won't be any more dramatic from the rear shots for a while, which is unfortunate because they are cool. I like them. I like those shots, but can't do it. Let's see if I swing around here. I want to head north. Ooh yeah, baby. And this is the quickest way to go north. So yeah, I'm well protected. This says it's 85 degrees, it looks like. So yeah, it's plenty warm out here, which is nice, actually. Yeah, and this jacket, I tell you, this jacket is so cool. It's like wearing less than a t-shirt somehow. It's amazing. In fact, I might even get cold, if you can believe that. What does that take? It says 83.4 degrees right here. And I'm almost too cold. It's astounding. So it is pretty out here. 2 o'clock on Monday. Yeah, Boris Johnson has the coronavirus. Everybody's got the coronavirus. It's astounding. I pulled in here because there's a little bit of a project I keep meaning to tackle. And I thought maybe let's do it now. So I just found a little bit of shade. And let's give it a try. Basically what I want to do is loosen up the handlebars here, and I want to adjust these handlebars so they're as close to me as they can possibly be. Right now I don't think they are as close as they could be, so let me see if I can tackle this. I am calling that a success, boys and girls. I was able to lift these up quite a bit. Again, you just pry these covers off, and then my simple wrench kit metric loosen those up, and I was able to pull these up and make them and back quite a bit. It totally changed the angle of the of the windshield, and I can play with that. And of course, it lifted up the phone quite a bit, so I can simply adjust that right now. Let's drop that down a bit, and then it make sure that clears on both sides. It does. And yeah, it's very easy for me to play with that windshield. So yeah, oh man, it's a whole different bike now. The bars are much higher, but they're also pulled back much closer to me, and that's what I was after. So I'll try this out, particularly to see, what the windshield situation is. Maybe I've made the windshield better, maybe worse. And again, very easy to adjust that windshield. Super easy, actually. This actually made the windshield a little higher and pushed it out from me a bit. So, right off the bat, feels fine. Make sure these saddlebags. No, I'm just an idiot. I never, ever, ever get these saddlebags closed. I don't know, what is it with me? Please, these bars are really high. It's definitely a different feeling. Interesting, that's for sure. Let's pull in here away from people so I don't confuse them any more than I have to. Ooh, I like this. See, it's a lot more comfortable. It was a bit of a reach to the bars before, and now it isn't. And that was the idea. So let me just quickly close my saddlebag, which I never, ever, ever remember to close. These saddlebags have an interesting feature, and I don't know if it's a bug or a feature, but they're very hard to open. They catch, and you really got to pull on them to open them up. And that has saved my bacon on multiple occasions where, once again, I have forgotten to close the damn things. It's something I just do way too often. But here we go, baby. Whole new bag here. I might want to raise these grips up a little bit. I mean, the controls now, they're kind of down because the handlebars are up. Oh, and this is what you want. You want to be behind a frickin' golf cart. Oh my God, buddy. I don't know what you're pointing at. Point all you want. So yeah, I'm not really digging the windshield. It seems worse. So I'll find some shade, and let's pull that down. And then I also need to adjust the hand controls because they are too low. So here's a little more shade right here. Hello, squirrel. Goodbye, squirrel. So it's quite a big change, but I think I've got everything sorted out. Mirrors, windshield, and clutch and brake all seem to be in pretty good shape relative to where I want them. So we'll continue on Highway 90 for a bit, and then yeah, for sure I'll get this thing on the highway and see what I think. I like the design of this because this is like basically balancing that mirror right now, that windshield right in the middle. So it really doesn't want to blow down the top any more than it wants to blow down the bottom. It's fairly well balanced that way. So let's see what we got.